everyone and welcome to a lot of tech once again. So recently Portronics reached out to me and they wanted me to review their Harmonics Twin 2 earbuds. So they sent me these earbuds and I've been using them and I've been spending time with them for around a week now. So today's video will be all about these earbuds, and let me tell you that these earbuds have far exceeded my expectations in terms of build quality, features and audio. So let's have a look at these. So the earphones get shipped in this kind of a white and red box. When you will open the box, what you will get inside is the earbuds, one user manual, few extra pair of ear tips and a data cable for charging. It's recommended that you go through the user manual at least once so that you understand all the features. The cable provided here is a normal USB to a micro USB cable, and you get two extra pair of ear tips. So when you will look at the case, it's made out of plastic. You get the Portronics branding on the front and a micro USB port at the back. You can charge this case by any 5-volt supply, and these earbuds are made in China. If I talk about the quality of plastic, so I would say that the quality of plastic is quite good as per the price, and also the case is very slim and it's very easy to carry in your pockets. When you will open the case, what you will get inside is the earbuds, which are held in position by strong magnets. When I took these earbuds out of the case, the first thing I noticed was the design. So these earbuds looks extremely beautiful. Rather, I would say that it's a very modern and a very futuristic design. You get the Portronics branding on each earbud, and when you look at the earbud, you don't find any sort of gaps and joints, and it looks like as if these earbuds are made out of single mold of plastic. So I would say that it looks like a very unibody design. The left and right markings are very precise, and the quality of plastic provided here has far exceeded my expectations. Apart from the design and build quality, the earbuds are extremely small and very lightweight, and also these are very comfortable to wear. I didn't notice any sort of discomfort while using them, and also I want to say that the kind of design they have, they are going to fit very comfortably to most of the people. If I talk about the features and connectivity, so just turn on the Bluetooth on your phone, open the case and take out the earbuds, and they are going to pair automatically with your phone. Once you have finished listening to music or finished your calls or anything, just put the earbuds back in the case and they are going to disconnect from your phone. So the process of connectivity is extremely flawless and seamless. Apart from that, if you are in any music player application, then you can double tap any of the earbud to play and pause a song, and you can long press the left earbud to go to the previous track, and you can long press the right earbud to go to the next track. If you want to launch any of the voice assistant, then you have to triple tap on any of the earbud to launch the voice assistant. Apart from that, you just go through the user manual at least once so that you understand all the features, where you can also use these earbuds as monopod, or you can say in the mono mode. The next best thing that I liked about these earbuds are the LEDs. So first of all, these LEDs are extremely small and very tiny, and these are actually under the plastic LEDs. So you don't notice any sort of LEDs on the earbuds unless and until they start blinking or in the pairing process. Apart from that, the color on these LEDs is green and red, and it is very different from that harsh blue color, which is very distractive, especially when the earbuds are pairing at night with your smartphone. So this is what it makes these earbuds somewhat different from rest of the others in the market. If I talk about the technical specifications, so you get 380 mAh of battery on the case and 40 mAh of battery on each earbud. So the 40 mAh of battery on each earbud can provide you with 4 hours of non-stop music, and you can charge these earbuds 4 times in the case. So it sums up to a battery of around 15 to 16 hours. The charging time here is around 2 hours and standby time is 70 hours. If you want to know the quality of microphone, so this is the kind of audio that you will be getting when you're recording something on this particular microphone. Do let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. I'm recording this in the indoor environment, and it has all that kind of ambient sound that is usually present in a small room. So now coming on to the most important part, which is the audio quality. So first of all, the bass. So these are not the bass oriented earphones, and if you're someone who is looking for an specifically bass oriented earbud, so you should look for some other options. But still I felt that the bass on these earbuds are pretty decent. Neither the frequencies are over amplified nor they are under amplified. The next comes your high frequencies and vocals. So first of all, I realized that no matter what is the kind of music you are listening to, whether it's instrumental music or completely a vocal music, the vocals on these earphones remains absolutely clear. And it was really a pleasure while watching movies, because the dialogues and everything were heard very clearly. If I talk about the high frequencies, so I just want to say that you will not get a sound as you would expect from Sony, where the high frequencies are slightly more pushed up, but I felt that the high frequencies were decent too. And in general, the vocals and high frequencies had a perfect balance along with the bass. So I just want to say that these are like one of the perfect balanced earphones that I have come across. If I talk about the gaming experience, so I just want to say that these earphones are good for playing PUBG, because as vocals are very clear, so you will be able to hear dialogues what other players are talking in the game. And if you want to buy these earphones for online classes, then also I felt that the overall audio quality for recording as well as on call was absolutely very clear. So I just want to conclude that these earbuds have far exceeded my expectations in terms of some features and audio quality. And if you want to buy these earbuds, then there will be a discount code in the description. You can use that code to get a flat 15% discount if you order them directly from their website. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll be making few comparisons of these earbuds with the ones which I already have. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.